All right, hi sixth grade. This is a video about making a DeltaMath account because in the past I have watched sixth graders really struggle to sign up for things. And just generally, knowing how to sign up for things is a life skill that you should have by the time you reach sixth grade. So, when you get to this website, it is going to have a box for a username and a password. You guys do not have usernames or passwords yet. Anytime you get to any website that you have never been to before, if you don't have a login, you need to go to create account. And you guys, if you had to guess between student and teacher, you guys are students. So you are going to click make a student account. It is then going to ask you for a teacher or access code. Your teacher code is Miss Miranda's, which is in the information from her in Google Classroom. I copied and pasted it. It is 792654, but it is also documented for you guys. You will see when you entered it correctly that it's going to say Miss Miranda here. That is how you know you have done it correctly. It's then going to ask you for all of your information. So your class is Manhattan 2021. So you are going to make sure you select Manhattan 2021. Then you guys are putting in all of your information. Your first name, your last name, your email again, and then you need to pick a password. Nobody can tell you what your password is supposed to be, guys. You have to pick your own password. Please make sure it is something that you will remember. So this might be like a similar password to what you use for your email, or what you use to log into Jump Rope so that you guys know how to get in. But please, please, please make sure that you know your password. Once you are done, you will hit create account. I am not going to create an account because I already have one. And then you should be in the main DeltaMath, which I will show you in a second. Alright guys, once you are logged in, you should see something that looks kind of like this. This is a sample account with my AP class. You can see I have done no work because I don't do the work, I assign the work. These are also not things that you guys are going to be seeing because this is for my AP Computer Science class. I do not have any 6th grade math assignments or classes up. But when you are here, you will see different assignments. If you click on those assignments, it will give you something to do. If you click on that activity, it is going to take you to a page where you are asked to solve things. You will solve the answer to the questions, you'll enter your answer, you will hit submit when you are done, and it will give you a check if you are correct or an X if you are wrong. The most important thing about DeltaMath is that whether you got it right or wrong, it is going to help you out by explaining the problem. Please make sure that especially if you are getting things wrong, you use the explanations to help you. These explanations are really, really, really key because if you say you don't get something, it's trying to help you figure it out. If you still don't get something, you're welcome to email me or Miss Miranda, but please know that all these problems are randomly generated, so we are not positive on exactly what numbers you will be seeing. If you have questions, make sure you send us the exact problem along with your questions so that we know how best to help you. Same thing if you're discussing with your friends. You guys will all see the same type of problems, but the numbers may be different, so just make sure you're aware of that. Miss Miranda and I on our end can see the questions you got right or wrong, and we can also see if you've completed this or not. If you have any questions, let us know, and good luck!